Okay, this first one is called Unhoused Hurricane. It's currently on display at the Little Yak Music Festival every Friday through August. Sounds of sirens breach the air, cars gone by, passengers passerby. Gone, baby, gone. Winds pierce my eye, people run, people hide. Two cars collide, bloody death inside. The sky begins to crack and cry. Tumultuous tornadoes erupt like volcanoes. Pompeii versus Vesuvius, only a mild protuberance. You see, for a guy like me, homeless, hopeless, this hurricane above us, just another day in the life. And I chose this life, you see. I chose to survive outside before I died inside, and now our two worlds collide. So go on, you insightful insiders. Go ahead, run and hide. Try to survive. I'd rather die outside than be buried alive. Your shelters will collapse in helter-skelter. Recovery will lapse from melted utensils. I don't need you nor your second-hand embarrassment of riches. Find me in a shallow grave, one of those roadside ditches. As hurricane homeless commences, that's the unhoused hurricane I mentioned. Unscrupulously you see me as I scream oh so unsurreptitiously. In a flurry I hurry to become a blurry mess, whipped across the sky in the city that left me for dead. Thank you. All right, that was Unhoused Hurricane.